Today's video is going to be all about our transatlantic flight on British Airways in business class. So if that sounds interesting to you, please keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshly Squeezed Travels. I hope you are having a splendid day, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I am in a little bit of a different setting today because I am in Scotland, and we flew from Florida to New York to JFK, and then from JFK to Heathrow, and then from Heathrow to Inverness. And we did fly business class. This was a real treat. We paid for coach tickets, and then we used points to upgrade to business class, and we got to be in those pods. So this was a real treat. This trip is for my husband's and my anniversary, and along with us is our daughter and another friend, Katie. So I wanted to show you our experiences flying business class on British Airways. Now, in my previous video, I said it was going to be on American Airlines, but we booked these tickets so long ago, I didn't remember the fact that we booked them through American, but the flight was operated by British Airways. So I hope you enjoy seeing a little bit of our experiences on board, and I will see you later. Bye. Right now, we are in British Airways Lounge waiting for our flight. So we have enjoyed our time in the British Airways Lounge in JFK, and we are about to board our British Airways flight to Heathrow, London. And I'm going to show you everything about the flight and all of the great perks that we get in business class, and I'm very excited. So, let me give you a little seat tour. lunch, dinner. It was really pretty good. The buttered chicken was delicious. It had good spice. It wasn't the best thing I've ever eaten in my life, but it certainly wasn't the worst. I liked the salad a lot, and also the chocolate banana mousse was out of this world. And they also had a really nice cheese plate. So all in all, I have no complaints. It's really nice. Such a treat. Real silverware. Real glasses. I'm loving it. I'm loving being in my pod. When I go to sleep, when it's flat, I will try to show you some video then. My first drink was a French wine, French red, and I just moved on to a Washington Pinot Noir, and just super impressed. So far, it's just been a great flight. All right, I'll talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it fun. If you'd like to hang out with me a little bit longer, I have picked out a couple videos at the end that I think you might like. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching.